We're gonna sneak up on Justin from Horsepower Obsessed. Is that Justin from Horsepower Obsessed?
Oh my God, it is!
Introduce us to what's in the shop.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Blackout Tinting. This is What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's take a look at some cool cars. We're gonna take a look at this C8 Corvette right here. I gotta warn you guys, that clean.
All right, so Justin is here by surprise, so we always like to let him say hi to you guys. Right beside us, we've got the Huracan that's been here for a couple of weeks now. This belongs to Guy, and we did the roof, we did the quarter panel, it got coated. It's pretty much ready to go home now. Right behind it is the C8 that Justin was just talking about. Black with a red interior, beautiful car. This one came in for a polish and a ceramic 3-in-1 coating, so it's not quite a full-blown professional grade coating. It's like a 1-year durability kind of thing. Right beside it is a Porsche 911. This is a brand new 992, belongs to our friend Russ. We replaced the marker lights with some clear ones. We also did paint protection film, the whole front end, the rocker panels, and then polished it and coated it. Max is working on coating the wheels right now. It's got those center locks that have to be torqued to like 400 foot-pounds. It's this ridiculous wrench. You should see it. It's crazy. Right in front of that's a BMW that Patrick's been polishing. Now it's getting coated. And on the lift, the GT3 RS that you guys are probably sick of seeing now. We are not. We could look at this thing all day, every day. At least I could. And we removed the graphics from this car to do the paint protection film. And now the graphics have to go back on. So that's my job, and I'm in and out of the shop all the time. But we've got the Porsche ones on the bottom of the wing, GT3 RS ones, and then later today I'm going to be putting the ones on the doors, and then this car is ready for ceramic coating and can go home. Right beside it, now this is something that's exciting for me. So this is Aaron, our paint protection film manager for the whole company. This is Aaron's new car. And that's very exciting because he's been talking about buying a ZL1 1LE track pack for like ever. A couple of years now, and he achieved that goal this week. So congratulations to Aaron. Now he's doing a stealth wrap. His last Camaro was stealth wrapped as well. So now he thinks he can beat me on the track. I think he'll give my GT4 a run for its money. In fact, I think he's going to smoke me. It's a light week this week at LATROBE. We've got quite a few guys on vacation. A lot of them do that right at the end of the year around Christmas time. So let's check out what's happening in Gibsonia, in Miami, and maybe even St. Louis.
What is going on, guys? It is a Wednesday here in Gibsonia. Let's take a look at what's going on back in the shop. Behind us here is a 2024 Porsche Taycan. This obviously got a full stealth wrap on the vehicle. So you can see the door jamb shows the factory color. It looks blue. The customer complained that it had a purple hue to it. So with stealth, it kind of mutes out that purple undertone and is protected. We also tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% tint and coated the entire vehicle in our 4-year coating. Next up, this was on last week's What's in the Shop. It's just getting wrapped up right now, is the Ferrari GTC4 Lusso. Got Caleb back there doing the coating work on it. PPF is done, tint is done. This is going to head back to Deal Automotive today. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Porsche 911. This got a full front paint protection film about a month and a half ago. Back in the shop this week for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Over here is a 2020 Tesla Model Y belonging to Dr. M3. So on the windshield here is the new UltraFit windshield protection. About 3 years ago, we did protection on the windshield, took a lot of abuse, did its job. It was time for a refresh. So we got the new UltraFit on here installed. Check out our YouTube channel for a full review on this new product. In the Tempe, we have 2 vehicles. First up is a brand new Raptor R, getting full tint the whole way around. We call it net 15%. So 70% on the back section, 15% on the 2 front doors. Make the whole thing even with heat rejection the whole way around. Secondly is a Volkswagen Tiguan. You can see Ian behind me here doing the 2 front windows, 20%. To match the factory tinted back windows. Over here we have a new Jeep Wrangler. As you can see, based on the setup of the vehicle, they do off-road this. So what we did on this vehicle is side paint protection film and our 10 mil film. This got the bottom of the front fenders, the entire doors, and the back fenders done in 10 mil Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Now as he takes this thing off-roading, they call it tiger striping. You get down the side. Still could happen with anything very, very abrasive, but far less likely now with a 10 mil paint protection film. Back in the PPF bay, we have more stealth. This one on a TRX. You can see a nice side-by-side comparison from the bedside to the door. The whole cab area is yet to be done. So again, protects it, satin finish. This is also getting the 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle and the 2 front windows tinted to match the factory tint. Last but not least is a Cadillac CT5V, full 8 mil Ultimate Plus paint protection film, and our Prime XR tint, 20% on the side windows and the back window. That's all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Let's have a look inside and see what the guys are working on this week.
Over in our PPF bay, we have Amari finishing up this full front clip. Customer is wanting some protection on his brand new 2024 Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE 53. Beautiful vehicle. Definitely made a wise choice, getting that X-Belt protection. We also have this 2021 Tesla Model Y in for a full paint correction and ceramic coating.
That's all we got for you guys. We'll see you guys back here next week.